Cash in on. Unlocking the meaning. Hello, and welcome to another English learning journey. Today, we're diving into the phrase, cash in on. It's a common expression you might have heard in business contexts or in daily conversation. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand and remember this useful phrase. Cash in on means to take advantage of an opportunity in a way that brings you benefits or profits. It often implies making the most out of a situation that is already in your favor. This phrase has its roots in the world of finance and gambling. To cash in originally meant to exchange chips or tokens for their cash value. Over time, it evolved to mean benefiting from any situation, not just financial ones. Using cash in on is simple. It's typically followed by the opportunity or situation that one is benefiting from. For example, she cashed in on her experience to land a better job. Many companies are cashing in on the latest technology trends. One common mistake is using the phrase in a negative context where there is no benefit. Remember, cash in on always implies a gain or advantage. Let's look at some sentences. After years of hard work, he finally cashed in on his investment. The author cashed in on her fame and started a podcast. And that's a wrap on cash in on. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of this phrase and how you can use it in your own conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cashing in on your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!